Do you want to know how you can log into your BDO Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your BDO Payroll account. Go ahead and search for BDO Payroll on your browser or your search bar. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to the login portal of BDO Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your username in this box over here. After you write down your username, go ahead and click next. Then the next step is to write down your password in this second box over here. After you write down your password, make sure that it is correct. So after you write down your username and password, make sure both of them are correct and are associated with your BDO Payroll account. Then go ahead and click next. This way, you can successfully log into your BDO Payroll account. If you want to change your username, this is the link for you, and if in case you have forgotten your password, you can recover it by clicking on this link. You can also click on Remember Me. So this is it guys, this is how you log into your BDO Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.